Do you want to know why? Because of this treatment today, we're talking Tighten and Brighten. Tighten Brighten treatment is literally one of my favorite treatments. I freaking love it. And so does TK.
2 treatments that we do on the same day. Radio frequency microneedling with our Genius Lutronic machine. Hudson's got the handpiece there. 49 gold insulated needles. Wraps the dermis, adds heat and a micro injury. Oh gosh, I'm getting too technical. You're gonna pass out.
I know.
Which stimulates collagen and tightens. Like shrink wrapping your face, your neck, whatever area we do.
I mean, it's a really great, mainly non-invasive treatment. We're not putting anything into your skin. So for those of you who are afraid of Botox and filler, which by the way, don't be. I am the princess in the pea, and Botox and filler love me. Like, if you're gonna have an allergic reaction, I have it. If something's gonna go wrong, I do. Guess what? I've never had a single problem here, ever. The worst part, I can't wear makeup for 24 hours. That's it. For the longevity of your skin, this is the most amazing treatment ever. Brighten part of it is amazing with the Lays MD.
That's the one that
Hudson, are you showing it?
Hudson's pulling out right now. There we go.
Love Lace MD. Love the 2 together. Love this as a standalone service.
Yeah.
When we finish your microneedling radio frequency portion, we run over the skin with our Lace MD, which is a non-ablative fractionated laser.
There he goes.
Which, on layman's terms, this is leaving damaged skin with healthy skin in between, stimulating collagen columns back up to the surface. This gives you a nice resurfacing. This is like your skin polish, working on your tone and texture, pore size, fine lines, wrinkles, pigmentation. Together, they're your total skin solution. Independently, Lace MD blows pigmentation out of the water. It's just like unreal what the device can do.
Tighten works on
Hyperhidrosis,
which is sweating under the armpits.
Yeah, so you'll need about 2 to 3 sessions to completely get rid of that sweating. For your first treatment, you'll notice a 75% reduction rate. You know, we want to get you to 100.
So you're not sweating.
You're not smelling.
and you're not ruining your shirt.
And you're not ruining your shirt. And also doing it on the scalp. That's using Lace MD.
When we take this device, that Lace MD device I was just talking about, we have a little bit of a different handpiece, a little comb that goes on here, and that runs through the hair, making tiny little micro channels for us to put on the Carafactor serum, which is a proprietary hair growth serum. It's a growth factor that is specific for hair growth. Carafactor, it works the same on everyone. It's so effective.
The Carolace treatment this month. So you need to be a VIP member. With your VIP package, it's $99 a month. Wait. You're like, well, I don't want to pay $99 to be in a membership. No.
You do.
Stop. Because, okay, your $99 is put towards anything you do. So you pay $99 a month. Let's say you don't come in for 3 months. You have $297. Ladies out there, if your husband is going over your bank account every month, $99 a month is completely justifiable, right? But then you can save up in 6 months and get something amazing done that nobody knows nothing about. 2021 is all about having fun. Hashtag have fun and don't get old.
YOLO.
Amen.
YOLO. It's called YOLO. YOLO.
You only live once.
There it comes.
You know that we are still young.
So yeah.
I don't believe